This is a video demonstrating the movement. So as you can see, when going from left to right, the player appears to be in the center of the screen and the map and the camera appears to follow the player. So you see with jumping, as you jump fast and then you slow down before it turns around again. And demonstration for collisions. Here with ray marching, it's impossible for us to go through any solid blocks. You can see. And finally, I'll find a place to demonstrate the cancelling of jumping momentum. So this is when you, if you hit your head on the ceiling, you can't go up anymore, so instead of you getting stuck there because the momentum's pushing you up, it cancels your jump basically and says it's over, so you fall back down. This can be seen, I'll find somewhere. There we go. By jumping here, as you can see, I hit my head on the ceiling, so fall back down. So this is achieved with ray marching too, telling us when we hit the ceiling. Okay, so that is the video demonstration of collisions and of movement.